The Southwest Gateway program was something we developed in collaboration with Auckland Transport and Wakatahi. We took the program business case through to construction of key elements in a period of 4 years, which was pretty unprecedented for a project of that nature. The short-term works resulted in Puhinui Station and State Highway 20B being constructed in a pretty fast pace. We're able to do that by working through the long-term plan in terms of the business case, whilst we delivered in parallel the short-term works. I think the buy-in to the end date was the key part. Everyone bought into that and made sure their processes and sign-offs and approvals were much quicker than normally, which allowed the project to progress at pace. There was also a number of projects being delivered in parallel, which required an extra degree of integration across the different client organisations and design and construction teams. The benefits for the clients and really their end customers in terms of getting some of these projects such as Puhinui Station open much earlier than they would normally have done. That meant there's a public transport link of fairly high quality to the airport that's open and working really well today. A key thing we came up with for the long-term solution was breaking it into chunks that could be implemented in stages, depending on funding or constraints around property or adjacent developments. The ability to build it or to implement it in stages, building up from the first stage, which is basically what's out there at the moment, up to a solution where it's that full airport to Botany corridor connection. Having clients and having organisations that were open to collaboration was really critical. Auckland Transport and Wakatahi were leading the way with the collaboration on an integration across the program, and at every step of the way we're joined up in terms of their messages and their sign-offs and approvals. So that was really critical to getting the program approved and endorsed. For me, one of the key lessons learned was really locking in the early wins in the early parts of the program and everyone buying into that across different organisations so that we could get underway with actually getting something built. Some of the more tricky components of the scheme were worked through and took a little bit longer to come to the right solution.